Hey everyone, Succulents Box here. Today's topic is all about how to properly care for succulents that currently go through their dormancy period during the winter months. We all know that succulents bloom and expand quickly, especially during their growing season. However, like any other plant, succulents also go through their hibernation period a few times a year, and we call this their dormancy period. During this time, you won't see much change. Before we go into details, let us give you an idea what dormancy actually is. Dormancy occurs when the surrounding temperature of your succulents starts to rise or drop outside their comfort zone. During this time, your succulents will slow their growth and physical activity as they need to save all their energy and resources to survive. This means that your succulent will require fewer resources to stay alive, especially when it comes to watering. One of the signs that you need to watch out for, other than the changes in the weather, is when you see that there's no new growth or when leaves suddenly begin to yellow or droop. So how will you know if your succulent is actually going through dormancy or already dying? One way to determine this is by examining the roots of your succulents. Keep in mind that even though dormant succulents look dead on the outside, they should still have healthy roots. Another way to check is to use the snap and scratch test, a simple examination often used on trees but would definitely work for other plants, including succulents. To do this, simply cut a small portion of your succulent's branches and bend it sharply. If the branch is alive, it won't bend easily and will appear green and moist on the inside. If your succulent doesn't have branches, scratch a small portion of the stem instead. Most succulents will wake up as soon as winter is over or when the temperature begins to rise. For some, this may happen when the snow starts to melt or once the temperature reaches at least 40 degrees or higher. To make it simpler, you'll know that your succulent are starting to wake up when they start to see signs of growth and movement, as well as when their leaves are beginning to look much more vibrant than they had during their off-season. Although succulents grown outdoors will experience dormancy more often, as it's easier to control the temperature inside the house, indoors grown succulents may still go dormant with temperature changes. Most succulents will go through dormancy either in the summer or winter months. For succulents that go through winter dormancy, such as the agave, echeveria, euphorbia, sempervivum, and tillandsia, also known as air plants, they tend to thrive in warmer temperatures and don't like when the temperature drops below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. During winter dormancy, your succulents will still need some light to keep them happy and healthy, although it won't be as much light as they would need while they were actively growing. So to ensure that you are providing your succulents with just enough light that they need, place them in a spot where they will get at least 3 to 4 hours of indirect sunlight a day. You should also consider using a grow light to supplement your succulents' lighting's needs during the day in case you don't get much sunlight in an area during this time. In terms of watering, your dormant succulents will only need just enough water to keep them hydrated during this time. You can do that by giving them a little water only when their leaves are starting to get dry and wrinkled using a watering bottle. To avoid overwatering or root rot issues during this time, make sure that your babies are planted in well-draining soil and that they have proper drainage. During dormant periods, your succulents do not need to be fertilized. In fact, you will not have to feed them until spring arrives with its prolonged periods of sun and increased temperatures. A good rule of thumb to follow for you is to wait until your succulents regain their color before you start to fertilize them again. Another important factor to watch while your succulents are in dormancy period is temperature. Keep in mind that winter succulents go dormant when the outside temperature drops below 40 to 50 degrees and may eventually die if it drops further. So if you have any succulents outdoors sitting in pots, it's highly advisable to bring them indoors, and it's very easy to control or regulate your home's temperature inside. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget, as always, hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you again in our next video.
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.